Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. As you can see in the description, what I'm actually doing today, I will be creating the Chanel canvas to put on my wall for my new apartment that I'll be moving into soon. Over a month. Just stay tuned as you can see what I'm doing, and I'll show you step by step, and I'll put all the descriptions in the description box. So first I'm gonna take the Chanel stencil that I just printed from Google. I just looked up Chanel stencil and I printed it, and that's it. And I'm gonna put it on this canvas that I got from Hobby Lobby. Always go on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Most of everything is like 50% off, and I only got this for like half of $8.99, so $4.99. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut inside the line, so I'll tape it down, outline it, and then I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take this out of here. My cousin decided to call me. Oop. That back there. She's about to come interrupt this video, so I just want y'all to know she's about to walk up in here and then try to shut shit down, but it's not gonna happen. So either you put the, let me show y'all. So either, oops, I am probably gonna just either outline this little stencil here. I'll either do that or use the other stencil, because it's actually very hard to center, because this little thing is very, very, very rough. But I'll show y'all. Oh! I know, look at my house, it's so dirty. It's Shanae, everyone. Say hello. Oh.
So what are you doing with those? What you telling me?
So right now I'm taping it down, the little stencil on here, and then I'm gonna outline it. And then I'm gonna pick it up and then like paint within the outline.
Oh, okay.
Within the lines, I mean. This is how it looks after you tape it down. And I am just gonna go around the lines with this black acrylic paint. I got this from Hobby Lobby. It was like $1.99. It was half off. I'm gonna go around it with a little small brush like this. This pack of brushes was $5.99, I think. So I put black acrylic paint in this little blue solo cup. Not even solo cup, bootleg solo cup. I'm gonna put a lot on the brush so I don't have to keep dipping it. And then I'm gonna go around and outline. I'm scared. How it looks after I did all the outlining around it. So then after that, you're gonna lift this up and untape it and then color in it. Color inside the cracks. Inside the crack. I'm finished painting the canvas, and I'm just gonna do some tweaking to it real quick. Okay guys, so I kind of like paused the video yesterday and kind of like left the house, so I'm gonna be doing the lips right now, the gold lips. And for that one, I'm gonna actually use a rose gold. It's very like common for everyone to do like the gold lips, and I just thought, man, I really want me some rose gold lips. So for this one, I just printed out this little stencil from Google. It was like super easy. I just literally Googled Chanel lips, gold lips. And so I went to Hobby Lobby, and my friend, she used this to do, I think, like some mason jars, and I just love the color ever since she did that. So that's why I'm using the gold, the foil metallic copper. It's really rose gold. This is how it looks. I mean, yeah, it was only like, it was like half off of this. You know, Hobby Lobby always has sales. So I'm using the I'll be using these canvas. It's 12 by 12, and these were like half off as well. $6.99, so it was like $3.99. Also, instead of cutting it like I did yesterday, for this one, I will use the X-Acto knife because I just need it to be perfect because of the like splits in the lips and all of that. Don't put this by your lips because it's gonna cut you. This is the X-Acto knife, like this. It's like a, I think that's what you call it. We called it that in high school, so that's why I'm calling it that. Show y'all here how I'm gonna do it. So that's the lips, and I'm just gonna start by cutting. I have a little cutting board right here. I'm just gonna put it over that so I don't cut my table, or you know, just so it's easier to cut through. So if you have a cutting board, try to use that. Lips after it is shaved and carved out. So then you put it at the center of the canvas like this. Make sure it's not upside down. Even if it is, you can turn the canvas any way you want. So there you go. Please.
Oh, sorry.
Like the rim, sorry. You definitely need to paint white around it because of the spray paint. It just goes everywhere. But my favorite one is the Chanel canvas, of course. So I'm all done.